was more at just this.
Here we go. First time on one of these.
Oh! I've never been on this.
Here we go! Oh! Oh my god! 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 Oh! Too bad, but it's like really weird.
Journey on Tumbili. Once the ride vehicle comes to a full and complete stop in the station, please unfasten your safety belt.
So we just got off a Tumbili behind us.
I'm just filling in for Shonda because she did not want to ride this ride.
No, and I've never ridden one either.
I haven't. That was my first time.
Either.
Yeah. It was cool.
Yeah, it was cool. I've always been like kind of worried that it'd make me real sick, but it wasn't too bad.
Yeah, and it was like it was nice because it wasn't too long. I think if it was any longer or more spinny, it probably would have been more.
Yeah, I think if it was much like even like 20 seconds longer, it might be too much. And the spinning's actually not too bad.
No,
which you can check out in the video that I have. But yeah, not too bad. If you ever see one, kind of fun. Yeah.